guys, welcome back to Non-Hall Performing Arts Group Dance Lessons. My name is Bobby. Today we'll be doing part 2 of a dance piece called Konkoba. Let's get started. So this was our last movement. Ba, ba, da, 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 right? Then from here, jump, ba, jump, da, jump, ba, jump, da. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Jump, 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 jump. And 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. Ba, 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 jump, ba, 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 jump. Then from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, ba, da. 5, 6, 7, go. Ba, 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 jump, da, 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 jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, ba, da. Back, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Let's combine from the top till the end with music.
This is the end of our lesson. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next lesson. Bye.